outspoken. What do you want to say in your defense?
I'm not Miss Outspoken. I say what exactly is needed. I say what I want to say. And I say what people deserve to listen. I always tell people real things on their face. See, I'm not a sugarcoating person. I would not go ahead and coat a lot of sugar on whatever I say. I would just say exactly the right thing, because a lot of people are misguiding other people by telling wrong things and being very sugar on the face. But then somebody has to show the reality, the real mirror. So I am there.
Very good. Thank you so much, and we accept all your excuses. Thank you so much, Amelia, for being an amazing sport.
Thank you.
Okay. So, Amelia, do you want to nominate someone?
From the current...
Yeah, from anyone, from any guest or anybody that you feel that should be in that limelight.
Okay, let's put Vikas in the limelight. He was smiling a lot at my answers.
Okay, Vikas.
That's the only reason from Kangana Ranaut to put somebody in limelight.
I personally admire you a lot, Amelia.
Thank you so much, Vikas.
All right, Vikas. Welcome to the Naughty Corner, Vikas.
Thank you, Preeti.
Okay, so there are a few allegations against you, Vikas, and you remember the drill that you are not supposed to be 100% truthful about any of those. Okay, so the first allegation against you, Vikas, is that you are Mr. Laid Back. Do you agree with this allegation?
Can you come again? Sorry.
You are Mr. Laid Back, Mr. Easy. Jo hota hai, hota rahega.
So, at the end of the day, I have to do a lot of household work. It's a lockdown going on. If I show you my house, a lot of things are pending. So after this meeting, I'm going to clean up everything. So you know what I mean? Just being a woman, you must be agreeing with it.
Yeah, I do understand that.
And lately it has gone up. I can understand that.
Okay. So the second allegation against you is that as VP membership, there has been a strange trend that we have noticed about you, that any female guest who comes, you're very quick in order to call her up the same day of the meeting and talk to her. But the guys, yes, you'll call up on a Monday or a Tuesday. Do you agree with this allegation?
I don't agree with it. I don't call them at all. I call the female guests immediately and call them twice, thrice, and make sure that they are member.
All right. Got it.
That's the reason. Yeah.
Okay. The third allegation that we have is that you have this fantastic dentist that you go to, and that's why your teeth are so much in perfect order that you keep on flashing them. So, do you agree with this allegation?
I'm brushing thrice a day actually, morning and after this meeting, and in the evening too.
Okay.
That may be the reason. And Patanjali, the Patanjali, the brand that I'm using for now.
So you're a brand ambassador for Patanjali?
Not really, but I do like this.
Yeah, you have a very perfect smile, like Amelia was saying. So perfect, yes. So thank you for being a great sport, Vikas. Thank you so much. You were amazing.
Thank you, Preeti.
We have one more guest, which I have noticed that we have Sumit in the house. So is it okay if I put Sumit in the spotlight? Sumit, welcome to the Naughty Corner.
Hi.
Hi.
I don't know what you are going to ask me, but I've been listening to everybody now, and now I'm scared, because you took my name.
For this, let's open the forum for everyone to ask Sumit some questions.
Oh, perfect, Amelia. Amelia, first you go. First allegation. Okay. So I'll do it on behalf of Amelia.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first allegation against you, Amit, in the Naughty Corner is that you are Mr. Popular. Even a club in Jhumri Talaya knows your name.
Yes, that's true. I believe in networking. I believe in networking, and I believe in making friends, and I believe in 70-30 ratio. That 70-30 ratio is something which helps you connect with people, and the people who don't want to connect with you, I keep them in 30% ratio, and people who want to connect with you, I keep them in 70% ratio. So that makes me 100%.
Oh.
So that's the reason why people know me in Jungle Areas Club and rest of the places as well. So yes, I agree
All
to
right.
this allegation. Yes.
So point taken, and I move on to the second allegation, Sumit. So the second allegation for you is you are nicknamed as Mr. Sensational. Do you agree with that?
Nicknamed
Mr.
as
Sensational.
Mr. Sensation.
You create a sensation wherever you go. Do you agree with that?
I kind of agree to it. Because I tried a new club till 2019 ended, but now we are into the progressive path, and creating a sensation these days is creating a buzz or a sensation. It is as same as a word. So if you're not known, if you're not visible, you're not known. So I try and keep my name there on every screen possible, meeting times, that every club knows me. And this is the same thing which I have tried to do in the physical meetings as well. That I have tried to be present in most of the meetings to create that buzz, not only for myself but for my club members and for Toastmasters as well. So yes, I
Okay. Now so we accept your apology or excuses, but the third allegation is you are the super speaker. That means any club which suggests or says that there is a slot available, you will leap up to it.
this because I look for the speaking slots. I sincerely don't get any speaking slots in my own personal club. Though I was the VP Ed of my club, I never used to get the speech slots for myself. Slots for myself right now as well. So wherever and howsoever I get the speaking slot, I just grab it. May it be in the Cavaliers meeting, I am okay with it. I just need the stage to appear there and show myself that yes, I can speak, and that helps me learn. So yes, I agree to that too.
Thank you so much, Sumit. Thank you so much. Well, accepted facts about your, distorted version of the answers. Thank you so much. So now we move on to the next speaker. So we have many people. Okay, so I am going to take, and I hope I'm in time because that happens with me. I forget the timer as well. So where is time, right? Okay. So how much time do I have, Ganesh? Okay. So since Ganesh is showing time, oh, he's already showing the red card for what? For this speaker or the whole this thing?
Ganesh, you might want to unmute yourself and say it. It's very confusing what you're trying to say.
It's very confusing for me.
Yeah, time is up. The total time is given in the slate is 24 minutes and 24
Okay,
minutes
and the time is
as per the slate.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to show a screen show time and again, but I don't know due to technical error. Slot which is given to TT section, I will show thereafter only. So 24 minutes as per that is over.
So with everybody's permission, can I call Ganesh on stage in the naughty corner?
Yes.
Yes?
Please go ahead.
All right.
The last one. The timer.
Yes, the last one. Okay. So Ganesh, welcome to the naughty corner.
I think timer is not allowed, I think.
The timer is allowed.
Timer has been very naughty, by the way.
Naughty timer. Okay, welcome to the naughty. There are some allegations against you. The first allegation against you is you are Mr. Diplomatic. You don't like to hurt people's feelings, and you are always diplomatic about whatever anybody does. Do you agree with this allegation?
I believe in listening. After joining Toastmaster, I like the active listener role very much. So I'm a very active listener now. I don't want to hurt anybody. But in Toastmasters, we believe in motivating and encouraging others. So I have that thought always in my mind. So I am not agree with this allegation which you are. Yeah.
Very good. So we sort of accepted, Ganesh. So the second allegation against you is you are Mr. Sit on the fence. So this Mr. Sit on the fence means you don't take sides ever. You always sit on the fence.
I think I'm born and brought up in a very cool place, Uttarakhand Hills, and I think because of that, there's a coolness in there in my blood, and that's why I take time to be in excitement and create more excitement,
Okay.
and I remain cool most of the time.
Nice. Okay. There is a final allegation against you, Ganesh. Okay, that you are Mr. Humble. You're always humble, irrespective of whatever accolades you receive in the club, as a president, as an IPP, or but you always stay humble, grounded. Do you agree?
Yes, I love being humble and listening everybody, and every person is in a book in itself. We can learn from each and every individual. I believe in learning. I believe in speaking less and observing more, learning more. Yeah, with this thought, I don't want to give my comment unnecessarily until or unless not required or not asked. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much, Ganesh. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, everyone. And I think we end this session with that. Or anybody has any suggestions? I think. Okay,
If there
as
is
the time
any
is up.
guest or non-Toastmaster wants to volunteer for the session, they can go ahead,
Yeah.
can unmute themselves and volunteer. Any non-Toastmaster or a guest.
Anybody wants to volunteer, like Tanya mentioned? Tanya's again gone into hiding. Okay. So,
None there. So I guess there are no volunteers.
I
We
can't
can.
see you. Yeah.
So we can go ahead with our other sessions. So thank you,
All right.
Preeti, for the most innovative, creative, and humorous table topic session I've seen so far. So we'll move on to the game section right now, as Toastmaster Pritish has to leave. So we'll do the game section first and then move on to the entertainment section. So the game section will be taken over by Toastmaster Pritish Acharya. Over to you, Toastmaster Pritish.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Tanya. So I have a games section. I would bring it up for you guys, first of all, and then we'll see what needs to be done. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, actually, yeah, I was. I'll post it on Facebook afterwards.
Yeah, okay, no problem. All right. So I hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes.
Wonderful. We have a fun and game session. For the first, okay, something went wrong. Just give me a second, please. Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So for the first session, this is called Guess the Song. What will happen is you'll be shown a picture of a song. You have to guess what song is it, and obviously once you have guessed it, you have to play it. You have to sing it out. So for the first, sorry, Abhinav, you're saying something. You're not saying anything.
I'm saying first kuch kuch hota hai because I saw the thumbnail on the first screen.
Yeah, so you're disqualified. Get out. Cheating. I don't like people who cheat. Okay, so for the first two songs, I need two people who are Shah Rukh Khan fans. So Abhinav, because you have already seen it, why don't you go and sing it out?
Yeah, but I'm disqualified, so.
No, go ahead. It's okay. It's okay. I'm giving you
So I
another
have to
challenge.
sing the song.
Yeah, you have
okay.
to sing the song. That's the challenge. It's not about seeing the picture. It's about singing the song.
Okay. तुम पास आए यूं मुस्कुराए तुमने न जाने क्या सपने दिखाए तुम पास आए यूं मुस्कुराए तुमने न जाने क्या सपने दिखाए अब तो मेरा दिल जागे न सोता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है.
Thank you so much. Can we
कितना
have a round of
दर्द था
applause for
आवाज
Abhinav?
में, कितना दर्द था.
दिल से आया, दिल से.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Okay. Any other, the next Shah Rukh Khan fan who would like to challenge Abhinav here for the next song? And you'll have to unmute and speak because I can't see everybody while sharing the screen. So, Vikas, would you like to take the next one?
So Pritesh,
I don't go for Shah Rukh actually.
You must have noticed there are no Shah Rukh Khan fans.
So, Vikas, you would like to take the next one?
I don't go for Shah Rukh.
So, anyone else who would like to take the next one? Guys, we need to be quick.
I would like to take the next one.
All right, Parth, here you go. You have to guess the correct song, not the movie. Huh?
Okay.
It's chuck dum dum chuck dum dum chuck dum dum chuck. घोड़े जैसी चाल चांदी जैसी दुम ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम.
All right, Sumit, because you answered it correctly, who do you want to challenge for the next one?
Preeti.
Wonderful. Karara jawab milega. All right, Preeti, here you go.
Okay. I know the song, but I'm trying to remember. Okay, I know the song, but I can't remember the lyrics.
Anyone who wants to try?
Yeah. Just the beginning, then I'll take over.
Crazy kiya re.
Crazy kiya re. Ting, ting, ting.
All right. I'll still give it to you with a hint, maybe 0.5 marks for that. Preeti, you need to select, you need to challenge a female member for the next one.
Okay, let me see. Female member. Okay.
Yeah.
I challenge Anjali.
Okay, Anjali, here you go.
Oh.
This is a very popular song. I'll be surprised if you're not able to guess this.
No, I won't be able to guess this.
Anyone who wants to try this one out?
Which movie is this, by the way?
It's a pop song. I don't remember the lyrics now.
It starts with Vaste.
Oh yeah, Vaste.
Le ja re?
Yeah.
No.
Vaste Jam Midu song.
Yeah.
Yes, it is
Right.
Vaste Jam Bhidu. Anyone who wants to sing it out? Amelia, do you want to sing it out?
Which one?
The one that is on your screen.
And what is the song?
Vaste Jam Bhidu.
No.
No came out in full lyrics.
Amelia, you probably would write a song on no itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, also came out in full lyrics.
Okay, so that brings us to the end of our first session. I don't know why the screen stops.
I can sing any other song, but right now this song is little.
Yeah. The song is a little what? Sorry.
I mean, I'm not in a mood to sing this song.
Yeah, no problem. So this brings us to the end of our first session.
Okay.
Now our second session is translate the song. So in this session, you will get an English paragraph. It's a paragraph. It is not in rhyme. It is not sentence by sentence. It's jumbled up. You have to guess and translate it into its equivalent Bollywood song. It's a paragraph which has been translated from a Bollywood song, by the way. So Amelia, because you were the last person going, sorry, Anjali, because you were the last person going, who do you want to challenge?
I'll challenge Anurag Mittal.
Wonderful. Anurag, here you go.
वो काली काली आंखें टुरुरु टुरुरु ये गोरे गोरे गाल टुरुरु टुरुरु ये हिरनी जैसी चाल देखा जो तुझे जानम हुआ है बुरा हाल.
It's absolutely correct. It's absolutely correct. A big round of applause for Toastmaster Anurag. Anurag, who do you want to challenge?
Shweta.
Bear.
Here you go, Shweta. It's a very popular song.
No, I don't know.
I know it.
Please go ahead, Amila.
I know it.
Please.
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी
Okay.
देखी
अच्छा
शराबी
यार.
ये दिल हो गया संभालो
संभालो इसको और मेरे यारो संभालना मुश्किल हो गया. Julia.
This is Avinav's favorite song, by the way. Avinav Gupta's. Okay, Amelia, because you gave the correct answer, who do you want to challenge?
I want to challenge. Let me look at it. Okay. We have Pradeep. Has Pradeep done it?
Pradeep has, yes. So you can challenge Pradeep. No problem.
We have two Pradeep actually.
Amelia is looking for a potential victim.
So we have a Pradeep and a Pradeep Khare.
Yeah.
Pradeep Khare left, I believe.
Can we challenge our guest? I think her name is Manaswini or something.
Yeah, Manas. Yeah.
Yeah.
Manaswini?
Yes, I'm in.
Are you game for it?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm in.
Wonderful. So here you go. Again, a very popular song.
I got it.
You must have read a lot of books in my school.
मुझे ये क्यों नहीं मिला?
Manaswini, here you go.
Okay, I'm trying. I don't know.
I can try this.
I know this one. Can I? I can try this.
Let's all sing together.
I can try.
Yeah.
Everybody can sing together. No problem.
Okay. किताबें बहुत सी पढ़ी होगी तुमने मगर कोई चेहरा भी तुमने
पढ़ा है
मेरी जान नजर से पढ़ा
है.
बताओ मेरे चेहरे
क्या लिखा है.
Please record this.
Wonderful. That's the worst Antakshari ever, but still.
Wow, that was perfectly in sync. That's amazing.
I know the male version and the female version.
Yeah. Okay. So, Shweta, because you started this, who do you want to challenge next?
Oh, I'd love to.
Challenge somebody from the guest.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's have them involved as well.
Akhil, you can go for it.
Correct.
Okay, Akhil, here you go.
Okay.
Very, very popular song. I'll give you a hint.
Wow. No hint.
Okay. I'll not give you a hint. See, my boss has already said it. Madam Division Director has said it. I can't do anything.
Yeah. Thank you.
चांद सितारे फूल और खुशबू
हाँ.
पुराने
Correct. You're going correct.
Okay.
Just start singing.
सारे पुराने हैं, ताजा ताजा कली खिली है, हम उसके दीवाने.
अच्छा हम उसके दीवाने. Okay. Right.
Who
चांद
The poetry
सितारे
was
फूल
good. Can somebody, the poetry was good, but can somebody sing the song?
Right, I can sing.
चांद सितारे फूल
फूल और खुशबू ये तो सारे पुराने हैं, ताजा ताजा कली खिली है, हम उसके दीवाने हैं. Hope my wife is getting this.
Wow.
Wonderful, Akhil. Wonderful. Sorry, your wife is somewhere around.
Are you
Okay,
married?
can tell her-
Firstly,
It's okay. You can tell her it's dedicated to her only.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
he's a guest. We don't know he's married or single. Firstly,
I heard. I think he said that. But anyhow, Akhil, who do you want to
we can listen the
challenge?
pain in
Who
his
do you
voice.
want to challenge?
Yes, I could. Geeta Kashyap, I would like to nominate her.
Okay, so Geeta Kashyap will be our first for the next session. And this next session is fill in the blanks. So you'll be given a very popular Bollywood dialogue, and these are all Bollywood dialogues. You'll also get a hint in the name of the actor who has delivered the dialogue. You have to complete the dialogue. So Geeta, here is the first one.
अच्छा, आज मेरे पास धन दौलत सब कुछ है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
Yeah, that was a good one, but that's not the right dialogue.
आज मेरे पास बिल्डिंग है,
बंगला मकान सब कुछ है, आज मेरे पास बंगला है, मकान है, सब कुछ है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
Yes, Sumit, you want to add on?
So it is like आज मेरे पास बिल्डिंग है, गाड़ियां हैं, पैसा है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है? तो शशि कपूर says मेरे पास माँ है.
Right, wonderful. Thank you so much, Sumit. Thank you so much, Geeta. Geeta, who do you want to challenge next?
श्वेता, विकास.
Right,
Vikas, popular हो गया है यार. तुम सब लोग
She
तुम्हें
wants
बस
to
ले
make
रहे
sure
हैं.
that I am the victim today.
Vikas, here you go. You got to guess this one, man. It's a very popular dialogue.
हमारे फिल्मों की तरह.
किया.
Om Shanti Om dialogue.
Yep, Om Shanti Om.
I didn't see Om Shanti Om actually.
You didn't see Om Shanti Om?
No.
It was like kya movement.
Pradeep, you complete then, please.
हमारी फिल्मों की तरह हमारी जिंदगी में भी आखिर में सब कुछ ठीक ठाक हो ही जाता है.
हमारी फिल्मों की तरह हमारी जिंदगी में भी एंड तक सब ठीक हो जाता है.
ठीक हो जाता है.
और अगर सब ठीक ना हो तो पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. All right, so Pradeep, because you got this one correct, who do you want to challenge next?
I would like to challenge Vipul.
Vipul.
I think you skipped one.
Yeah, okay. There you go.
Three Idiots. बच्चा काबिल बनाओ काबिल कामयाबी झक करके पीछे भागेगी.
कामयाबी मार के पीछे आएगी. ठीक है, I'll give it to you. All right, Vipul. So our last participant for today's fun and game session would be Toastmaster Tanya.
Why did this happen? I was relaxing. हमारा सिस्टम बच्चों के डायपर की तरह हो चुका है. I have no idea.
Anyone who wants to give it a shot? The first hint is this is from the movie Gabbar Singh.
I haven't seen that.
Gabbar Singh? Okay. Yeah.
Gabbar Singh.
The movie's name was Gabbar is Back.
Yeah. Sorry, Gabbar is back. My bad.
Actually, I don't know.
Chalo, I'm not the only one, thankfully.
हमारा सिस्टम बच्चों के डायपर की तरह हो चुका है, कहीं से थोड़ा गीला, कहीं से थोड़ा ढीला.
Very good.
All right, and that will be the end of it. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you
Great,
enjoyed.
wonderful.
Thank you, Toastmaster Pritish, for this amazing session. Done for the very first time, I think, in every meeting. So, before I move on to the, yeah.
Danya, I got message from a lot of people. They want some, they have some other commitments. So can we take a screenshot before a lot of people leave the meeting?
Okay.
Yeah. Could you all switch on your camera, please?
Yeah.
Could we strike a pose?
Done.
Thank you.
You can take again, huh?
We could take
Yeah,
again
sure,
and
sure.
one in the end.
Sure.
So before I move forward to the entertainment section, I forgot to ask my second question to Preeti. So Preeti, are you ready for the second question?
I'm ready.
Okay, so quickly I'll ask you. So there's a grave allegation against you that you were one of the most active members of ITMC who always volunteered in table topics. But lately, people have noticed that you have become absent and irregular in attending meetings and turned from active to inactive. How do you rebut this allegation?
Yeah, actually, earlier, so the answer to this question is earlier I used to get a consistent source of, passive income. So every Toastmaster meeting used to give me some money. And, I accrued a lot of money with that. But what happened all of a sudden, Toastmaster Pritish decided that he's going to stop paying me that money. And when he decided that, ultimately I had to stop, because my income had stopped. What to do? So that is the reason I decided that, okay, now let me be an active member, and till the time he again changes his mind. So that is the reason.
Pritish, are you there? Are you listening? I think he's left. I would have loved if we had rebutted this. Anyway, let's move to the entertainment section. Which is the last section of our meeting. We will begin the session which will showcase a lot of talents in ITMC. So I'll start with Toastmaster Vivek Tripathi, who will be singing and giving a guitar performance. He's a chartered accountant by profession. He believes in enjoying the little things in life as they are the most beautiful ones. Apart from work, he has a passion for singing and playing guitar. So over to Toastmaster Vivek. Can we have a round for applause?
So hi friends, once again.
Hello.
Am I
Go
audible?
for it. Yes, Vivek.
Can you hear my guitar as well?
Yes. But it's a little low. Yeah.
We can see them. That also.
सुन मेरे हमसफर क्या तुझे इतनी सी बेखबर कि तेरी सांसें चलती ये दिल रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर जितनी हंसी मुलाकातें हैं उनसे भी प्यारी तेरी बातें हैं बातों में तेरी खो जाते हैं आऊंगा होश में मैं कभी बाहों में है तेरी जिंदगी है सुन मेरे हमसफर क्या तुझे इतनी सी खबर
अब के तेरी सांसें चलती देखूं, रहूंगा बस वही उम्र, रहूंगा बस वही उम्र भर। पानी दा रंग बरके, पानी दा रंग बरके, अखियां जो अंजूर, अखियां जो अंजूर। माहिया नाया मेरा, माहिया नाया, माहिया नाया मेरा, माहिया नाया, रांझड़ा नाया मेरा, रांझड़ा नाया, रांझड़ा नाया मेरा, रांझड़ा नाया। खादा नूर बैठ के, अखा दा नूर बैठ के, अखियां जो अंजूर, अखियां जो अंजूर। कमली हो गई तेरे बिना दाना छड़ मेरे, कमली हो गई तेरे बिना दाना छड़ मेरे। बारिश बरखा सब कुछ बह गई, आया नीचे मेरे, बारिश बरखा सब कुछ बह गई, आया नीचे मेरे। अखादा नूर बैठ के, अखादा नूर बैठ के, अखियां जो अंजूर, अखियां जो अंजूर। हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा कर हो जाएंगे, खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, तब तुम ही हो। चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी, तब तुम ही हो। तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं, तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा बात सभी, कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस पे नाम तेरा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, तब तुम ही हो। चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी, तब तुम ही हो। Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, Toastmaster Vivek, for the performance. You are always a delight to hear, and your singing was amazing. So our next performer for today is Toastmaster Abhinav Agarwal. So he'll be presenting some stand-up comedy for us. He's an IT professional who recently got to know that humor is the best way to connect with your audience, but his last few attempts to do so have failed. So let's see for now what happens. Over to you, Toastmaster Abhinav.
Thank you, Toastmaster Tanya. These days, we do a lot of messaging and we prefer to keep it short, but sometimes it actually creates some problems. So around a year ago, I received a text message from one of my uncle in my family, and I was really surprised because this is the first time that I receive a text message from him. And the message was like this: Dear Abhinav, comma, trying out text messaging, and the next line, with love, comma, your uncle. And I was like, oh, my uncle thinks it's a traditional letter. So I immediately replied him, "Hey uncle, it's just a text message. So you can just keep it short. You don't need to include all that." And once I sent this message, so I got a reply, and it was like this: "Dear Abhinav, okay." And the next line, "With love, your uncle." So yes, so while my uncle was trying to improve his skills on text messaging, how to keep it short, I went on a holiday to Kerala, and when I came back, so I again texted him. I said, "Hey uncle, just came back from Kerala," and I got a reply: "Dear Abhinav, comma, WTF." And in the next line, "With love, your uncle." And when I read this, WTF, I immediately called my uncle. I said, "Uncle, what do you mean by this?" And my uncle said, "I got to know from somebody in the family that it means wow, that's fun." So I thought to just write it as WTF. And I was like, wow. And I realized that's the way to live this world. And if you all start understanding WTF the way my uncle understands, so that could actually create a difference. And also on a different note, I joined Facebook a couple of years back, and
This happens with us every time. When we speak, when the speaker is speaking, that gets some technical issue. Abhinav? Tanya, can you hear him? Or can you see him?
No. Actually, I think he has disconnected. Got disconnected.
Yeah, I think he got bogged off with the connection. So if you can connect him over the phone and get him back.
Yeah, Abhinav, hi, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, you got disconnected.
I got disconnected.
Yeah, for a minute or two. So you can go back a minute and start.
Sure. So a couple of years back, I joined Facebook, and I realized that it's nothing more than putting a lot of pressure on us, and it actually forces some of us to enjoy. So when I came across, found them most of the time partying here and there, going out on vacation, and I also found them expressing their love to their spouses, and I was like this. I'm the only idiot sitting at home and doing nothing and not going out. So recently I saw a Facebook post from one of my friend, and it was his marriage anniversary, and he made a post like this: "Dear wife, you have been my rock of love and courage for so many years. I don't know where I have been without you. Thank you for being with me for so many years. You have always been there whenever I need you. So thank you directly from my heart." And when I read this, so I was like, oh, this is the same person who was criticizing his wife and crying in front of me just a couple of days back, just after having a couple of drinks. And immediately the next moment, I also realized that, my God, this is the same person who actually also added in the Facebook post of my wife as a Facebook connect to my wife. And my marriage anniversary is also around the corner. So I have to do the same. I have to show the same FB love to my wife exactly at 1 a.m. in the night. And if I won't do this, only God can help me. Thank you so much. Over to you, Toastmaster Tanya.
Thank you, Abhinav. I want to tell you that this attempt at comedy did not fail. So you can add on to that in your next comedy session. So our last performer for today is Toastmaster Anurag Chaturvedi. he'll be singing for us today. He's a management graduate, a passionate Toastmaster who loves to learn, is also passionate about towards the education system development. So when I asked him what he'll be doing, he said singing or something. I asked him what is singing or something. He's told me that when he sings, he makes people laugh. So let's see how that goes today. Over to you, Toastmaster Anurag.
Thank you, Tanya. Thank you for giving me a chance. And I would like to start with a disclaimer that don't let yourself feel that you're not winning. So I'm just participating right now, and don't judge my singing competencies in this, and please don't evaluate as well on the Toastmaster platform, right? So I have played one, I will play one mashup. So I included 3 songs in this mashup, and I hope you will like it. And if you don't like it, then you can laugh at it. एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी सोती रातों में जागी सी मिली एक अजनबी से कोई आगे न पीछे तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आंखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं जान में तेरी डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आंखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं जान में तेरी हंसी को डरते रही रातें कटती रही तेरी तस्वीर से बात बनती रही तो आजा दिल मिल रहे हैं तो दिल मिल रहे हैं छुप के सब तो हो रही है हाँ सब तो हो रही है अब छुप के सांसों में बड़ी बेकरारी आंखों में कई रक्त जगे कभी कहीं लग जाए दिल तो कहीं फिर दिल ना लगे अपना दिल में जरा थम लूं जादू का मैं इसे नाम दूं जादू कर रहा है जादू कर रहा है चुप के वो दिल मिल रहे हैं मगर चुप के थैंक यू and thank you Tanya, and I would like to ask Vivek for come over with me and sing a one song, and I will ask all of you, please unmute yourself, and I have chosen one popular song so you can sing along with me and we can have fun with this. So I will start.
Just
Anurag, just increase the volume of the music a bit and restart it. Increase the volume of the music.
Okay. So this song which I'm playing is from Satya Pe Satta, and the song is Pyar Tumhe Kis Mode Pe Le Aaya. So I hope all of us do remember this song, and we are just singing only the Bukra one. So Vivek, can you please start?
तुमने वो क्या देखा जो कहा दीवाना,
हमको नहीं कुछ समझ जरा समझाना,
प्यार में जब भी आँख कहीं लड़ जाए,
अब धड़कन और बेचैनी बढ़ जाए,
रातों तारे,
अब समझो तुम्हें प्यार हो गया, प्यार हमें
दिल करे हाय हाय.
Let's sing without music. प्यार हमें किस मोड़ पे ले
आया, ये दिल करे हाय,
कोई ये बताए क्या होगा. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anurag.
Thank you, Toastmaster Anurag and Vivek. Your performance did not make me laugh, but it did make me smile. I've heard you sing before and I've never laughed. I've always smiled at how talented you are. Thanks for that. Moving on, we will come to our conclusion of the meeting. We've come towards the end. I would like to thank my EC team who were a big help in conducting this meeting, including Toastmaster Ganesh, the calm and composed leader of our club, who was the timer for the day, and the immediate past president of ITMC, Toastmaster Vipul, who is the tech master for the day and the current treasurer of ITMC, and last but not the least, Toastmaster Shweta, who is the Q&A moderator, and as we already know, the current president of ITMC. Special thanks to a lot of people who have left, and DTM Richa for helping us out, and everyone else for being such a wonderful audience. I'm sure this ongoing period is going to give us a lot of learning and teachings. It is a time to pause and reflect on things. It is going to teach us perseverance, gratefulness, and a lot of creative ideas to have celebrations at home like we did today. I hope you all had a good time in this small celebration of ours. Thank you. Over to Toastmaster Shweta. Toastmaster Shweta has apparently left, like every other meeting, just at the end of the meeting when I hand it over to her. Anyway, this always happens. The VP head has to close the meeting, and today I'll do the same. So guys, thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next 151st meeting of ITMC. Okay, bye guys.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Stay safe. Bye.
Thank you.